Hi, my name is Rajveen, and I'm standing in front of the beautiful and iconic San Francisco estuary. The estuary is one of the largest in North America, stretching over 60,000 square miles and reaching into 12 different counties. The Sacramento and San Joaquin River are the two main rivers that flow into the 8 bays of this estuary. The area where the salt and fresh water meets is called the mixing zone. The zone will vary its location due to the influence of tides. 40% of California water runs through this watershed. The water is used for many different purposes, including irrigation for agriculture and residential drinking water. There are many characteristics that affect the estuary, like the salinity of the water, which varies depending on the location, the temperature, the amount of sunlight penetrating the water, soil acidity, the oxygen concentration, and the amount of food and nutrients found here. Producers, consumers, and predators all are seen within this ecosystem. Hundreds of plants, animals, and even endangered species live and migrate to this estuary every year. Many different species even designate this ecosystem for their nurseries. All of these characteristics work together to affect the productivity and diversity within the estuaries. Development and expansion of the Bay Area has dramatically increased over the years, especially in the Silicon Valley, due to the boom in the tech industry. The population growth has affected and threatened the survival of many species and the estuary as a whole. The ecosystem's delicate balance has been shattered and disturbed with the increase of urbanization. According to the San Francisco Estuary Partnership, an organization that was established over 20 years ago with the help of the EPA and other agencies, is designed to restore and retain the estuary's natural habitat. They say the amount of development would damage over 39,000 acres of wetlands in virtually every watershed within the 12 counties and would degrade 28,000 acres of streams and increase pollution levels in the estuaries. This is referring to the increase of commercial and residential development. There are many agencies that are coming together for the good of the estuary, and by doing so, a lot of the projects are getting completed. I interviewed Judy Kelly, director of the San Francisco Estuary Partnership, and we discussed projects that were underway to help this pristine ecosystem. I'm here at the South Bay Salt Ponds, one of the southernmost part of the estuaries, where restoration projects are underway. This project is one of the largest, covering over 15,000 acres. The project has been created to help rebuild and retain a number of habitats here, including the mudflats and marshes. It's also designed to improve the water quality here, establish regulatory boundaries, while also protecting the natural resources. During the project, teams will also monitor the mercury levels so it doesn't contaminate other habitats and species residing here. According to the San Francisco Estuary Partnership, for the last 150 years, these wetlands have received mercury Landon drainage from the New Almaden Mercury Mining District in the upper reaches of the Guadalupe River watershed. Salt pond construction in the last century buried mercury-contaminated settlement, but restoration poses challenges for water quality. Redistributing settlements and introducing tidal action can release mercury into the water column and may cause mercury to metallize, which makes the menthol more available to the food web. Another way conservation is being used to protect and maintain the biodiversity of many different species of plants and animals is through education. This is just one of the educational centers built to help educate the public and communities about the estuaries. The San Francisco Estuary is a place to be cherished and admired, and through the countless combination efforts, this beautiful ecosystem will hopefully be seen for generations to come.